The baby Lambo just learned how to think. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Huracán Successor. A supercar born from code, not clay. Every curve, every vent, every millimeter of this machine was designed not by hand, but by data. Artificial intelligence drew the lines, tested the wind, and built perfection one algorithm at a time. This isn't design, it's evolution. The body looks alive. Adaptive aerodynamics that flex, shift, and breathe with speed. The air doesn't push against it, it serves it. Each Y-shaped headlight is no longer just a lamp, it's an eye. Scanning, predicting, reacting in real time. When the road twists, the car already knows. When the wind changes, the shape adjusts. When you brake, it breathes in. And when you floor it, it roars back. Step inside, and the future greets you with light. No switches. No clutter. Only digital instinct. The cockpit listens to your voice. It reads your gestures. It even feels your heartbeat. Meet LIA, the Lamborghini Intelligent Assistant. She studies how you drive, how you react, how you feel. She learns when to push and when to protect. Over time, she becomes a mirror of your instincts. Your perfect co-pilot made of code. Beneath the sculpted skin lies something extraordinary. An AI-managed hybrid V8. Raw combustion paired with silent electric force. Together they create balance. Noise when you crave emotion. Silence when you chase precision. 0 to 60? Under 2 seconds. But numbers aren't the story anymore. It's about what happens between the numbers. Micro decisions calculated thousands of times per second. Gear shifts feel human, yet mathematically flawless. Corners feel effortless, because the car already learned them. This is not horsepower, it's brainpower. And that's what makes this Lamborghini different. The Huracán was passion. It screamed. It burned. It lived for chaos. But this is control, without killing emotion. Intelligence, without losing soul. Because for the first time, a raging bull can think. Every movement of this machine is intentional. Every decision is data-driven. Every reaction is faster than instinct itself. The car learns from every kilometer, it evolves with you. Like a neural creature, it remembers your favorite roads. Your style, your rhythm, your fear. And one day, it might even outsmart you. Lamborghini didn't just build another supercar. They built an intelligence. A supercomputer wearing Italian skin. A living design that learns, adapts, and transforms every time you drive it. This is not the future. This is the awakening. The raging bull has evolved. And this time, it's thinking. Subscribe to eLux Motors. For more stories where engineering meets emotion. And machines begin to dream.